Hello, where you're watching India Today Television. I'm Sneha Moldani. This is our special broadcast. We're talking about an issue that has in fact got the entire country wondering what is going on. We're talking about the NEET exams, which as we know has been in news for all the wrong reasons as to how 67 toppers have got the perfect score of 720 of 720. Students are raising questions. Parents are worried about the future and the career of the students. Many, in fact, toppers are wondering, in spite of the perfect score, can they get their dream college? Can they get admissions into the dream college? The government says there is no paper leak and says that there is no wrongdoing. The Supreme Court, of course, as we know, is monitoring this entire issue. Grace marks, of course, given to over 1,500 students have been scrapped. What lies ahead? What is the road ahead? And to talk about this and much more, joining us this evening is Jitin Chawla, eminent career counsellor, also Vivek Thakur, managing director and founder, Scholars Den, and former alumni of IIT Kharagpur. Thank you so much for your time. Dr. N.K. Sharma, director, Harvard Academy. Thank you for your time again. Students with us, students, some of them have appeared for the NEET exams. There are many other students who wish to appear maybe in the next few years or so. Parents are also joining us because remember, this is worrying parents as it is worrying students. And why not? At the end of the day, this is in fact a very difficult exam. And how is that 67 toppers managed the perfect score? What are the biggest concerns? Before I go to my guests, I want to begin by getting in those students who've appeared for the exams this time around. You, in fact, were telling me the fact that you appeared for the exams and you've been feeling shortchanged about this entire issue कि आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा जो हुआ है एक uncertainty है आपके mind में अभी भी.
मैम मेरे ना दो क्वेश्चंस हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि देखिए मैम ये 1563 बच्चों का एग्जाम दोबारा करवा रहे हैं. मेरा रैंक 31,500 है एंड लास्ट ईयर इस मार्क्स पर 7,000 रैंक था. मेरा रैंक लगभग 20-22 हज़ार के ऊपर जा चुका है. 1500 बच्चे अगर पूरे के पूरे वैसे वो करेंगे नहीं, दोबारा रीनीट के लिए कौन अप्लाई करेगा. लेकिन अगर 1563 बच्चे दोबारा रीनीट में फेल हो जाते हैं तब भी मेरा जो रैंक है वो 31,500 से 30,000 चला जाएगा. आई विल स्टिल गेट नो गवर्नमेंट सीट. पहली बात. दूसरी बात ये है कि मैम जो 1563 का नंबर है वो नंबर ये कहाँ से है पता है. एक सेकंड, नहीं मैम एक मिनट. ये नंबर पिटीशन जिन बच्चों ने फाइल की थी उनके सेंटर पे सारे बच्चों का नंबर है. क्लैट के एग्जाम में जो हुआ था उसमें ये हुआ था कि विंडो दी गई थी कि आप बताइए किस किस को लग रहा है कि उसके सेंटर पे मतलब टाइम लॉस हुआ है. उनका फॉर्म भरवाया गया था. उन सेंटर्स पे चेकिंग हुई थी कि इनका टाइम लॉस हुआ या नहीं हुआ. फिर उन बच्चों को ग्रेस मार्क दी गई थी और उनका जो भी उनके साथ प्रावधान हुआ था वो उस टाइम की बात है. इस साल उन बच्चों को ग्रेस दी गई है सिर्फ और सिर्फ जिन्होंने पिटीशन फाइल करी है. जिस बच्चे ने पिटीशन फाइल नहीं करी, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने किया, वो बेवकूफ है. अब जो 1563 बच्चे हैं ये कह रहे हैं उनका रीनीट हो रहा है. क्या रीनीट सबका नहीं होना चाहिए? राइट टू इक्वालिटी का वॉल्यूशन नहीं है ये.
Jitin Chawla, I want to begin by asking you, many students are demanding, there's a protest all over the country, a lot of people saying that there should be exams once again. Why not, end this once and for all? If there is so much doubt around the exams, what do you have to say about it?
So one, it has to be a fair, this thing. Of course, there has been a systematic failure on the part of the government, which is borne by that one, specific centers, people scored better marks. Second, a lot of people got grace marks without any background. In fact, in the previous thing, somebody was highlighting the Supreme Court judgment, but actually that Supreme Court judgment was not applicable on NEET and JEE. You know, it is clearly written that it is not applicable on NEET and JEE, but still that is being used as an excuse that there's a Supreme Court judgment because of which grace marks were given.
Okay.
And then, see, this is a huge exam. So, I mean, the government could have planned. Like a lot of time, number of years back, EVMs were introduced for voting. So similarly, automation could have come in and automation could have resolved the problem so that the tampering of machines or this thing would not have happened and the exams would have been conducted fairly. But it has not happened. So, of course, right now, I think the issue also is that the government is saying that it is in court and there should be good outcome for it. So we have to look at both the sides. Okay. There are people who have worked hard, even people sitting here who have got good scores, 670, 660 and so on. So, and they have worked genuinely at it. And there are people who would have used dubious means to get there, you know.
The government says there's no paper leak. You know, is there a reason to doubt the government?
I think there is. I think there is because there has been a systematic this thing. Yeah.
Yes.
Ample reasons to doubt. Why? Because I am the person who fought 2017 famous case of JEE Advanced against Government of India and IIT Madras. Ma'am, year after year, students have to give exam multiple times. Once when they appear in NEET or JEE, and then after that, their patience is tested. They have to come on the streets to get the justice done. They have to go to Supreme Court. Why can't government look into this, that year after year, people are raising question and you are listening only to NTA? Why can't you listen to the experts like me, who were there? The papers were over at 5:20 p.m. Ma'am, papers came to me at 5:30. When we 10 teachers were solving the paper, the first reaction was, this paper is little bit easier than 2023.
Okay.
Now, in this case, how come two students from 720 marks in 2023, it has reached 67 marks?
67. How
Ma'am,
did that
as a
number,
doctor,
you know, that number is mind-boggling because
mind-boggling, it is almost
Totally
10 times.
mind-boggling, and there is obviously there has been some, and especially because some centers like Jhajjar Center has come into the news.
where
So
there were
simply
6 or 7 toppers from that
few-
one center.
Jhajjar in Haryana.
Jhajjar Center,
Jhajjar,
yes. So obviously there has been some manipulation somewhere, and that is why it's a systematic failure on part of the government, and which
Okay.
has to be addressed, which has to be, you know.
It has to be addressed. Is it being addressed right? Dr. Sharma, do you believe the Supreme Court has intervened at the right time and that there will be justice for many of these students here?
When we talk to students, there are two basic questions here. So let us understand the two core issues here. One is the deficit of trust. They do not trust the National Testing Agency anymore, because of the way they have handled the things that had happened after the result. First they say something, then they retract it, and then they say
The
something
committee
else.
was also set up. The committee was also set up by the NTA.
But that is
They were
right,
looking
that's
into
right.
the matter, their own internal.
Madam,
The
the committee
second
has
important
bureaucrats.
question would be,
Bureaucrats only, no academicians, no IIT professors,
the
no
second
AIIMS
core
doctors.
issue that should be taken care of would be the student that was talking about right now, scoring 648. And practically, I assume that he must have celebrated on the day when he came to know.
Celebrated on the day,
yes,
on
yes,
that day?
obviously,
Yes.
obviously, madam,
सच
648,
में बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी की
670.
थी जो मुझे लगा था कि मतलब मैं आउट ऑफ खुशी होता ना, आप खुश होकर कर देते हो कि
अच्छे
मतलब
नंबर आए।
बहुत खुश था
बधाई
मैं।
बांटती होगी
would have given you a
पैरों तले जमीन खिसक गई मेरी जब मैंने देखा कि मेरे मार्क्स 648 है एंड 31,500 मेरा रैंक है। मतलब मेरा जो एक्सपेक्टेड रैंक था वो 6,000 7,000 इससे ऊपर नहीं था। आई वाज थिंकिंग कि मैं इस कॉलेज में जाऊंगा, उस कॉलेज में जाऊंगा, एंड 648 लाके मेरा 31,500 रैंक है जहां मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिल
The
रहा।
fact of the matter
610,
now is that even
610
those
rank.
who've got 720 will not be getting admission to their dream college.
Also,
AIIMS Delhi.
also six.
Yes.
What a student can do maximum is he can score 720, and even in 720 he's not sure he will get his dream college, AIIMS Delhi.
Right.
And man,
You know,
probably
I want to know from many other NEET students who are here, anybody else who didn't. Okay. Yes, please tell me. What's your name? What was your score?
My name is Kashish. I scored 670 this year.
Okay.
Sir, as in the previous program, you told that we must enjoy studying. I do enjoy studying. I do enjoy the competition I fought. But how do I enjoy fighting corruption here? How do I enjoy going to the Supreme Court every day?
You know, she's done her job. She's done her job here. Here's a student who's done her job, but she's saying, you know, fighting corruption and coming out on the streets isn't my business. I need to focus on what I was intending to do, and that's not what she's doing.
And ma'am, people here are questioning the academicians, those who are helping us to fight petitions and filing them, which we don't know. All of us, we don't know things because we have only been taught physics, chemistry and biology. And they are helping us. So people are saying that they are creating a mess out here, and people are going to suicide because they are creating a mess. The mess has been created by the government and NTA.
No, absolutely. Because you raised that point, I would like to, you know, tell all the students here, like, please do not lose heart. I think the entire country is watching, and if there is any wrongdoing, it will be addressed.
Yes,
you know, talking about these things is absolutely discouraged on this platform. Don't even think about any of this because these are just exams. You know, if you, doctor, if you
That
could
is
just come,
absolutely
please.
correct, madam. No
Yes.
exam is worth your life. Now, please try to understand. Do not create a very, very big monster out of this.
Yes.
Please try to understand. This is much larger than this. It is your fight that is absolutely justified. There has been a lack of communication. There has been a lack of communication. No channel has been established. No person who is very much authorized. Yes, we all agree that the Honorable Supreme Court decision will be final to all. But meanwhile, the conflicting things that are coming, whether there is leak or not, Economic Offence Unit of Bihar says that we have arrested some people, and there is it is very
Suggestive
likely
of a paper leak in
Yes,
Bihar.
yes,
There's a
very
lot,
highly
it's a
suggestive
strong
of-
indication there.
Highly suggestive of paper leak, they are saying
Yes.
that.
Ma'am,
Please come in, yes.
If a doctor finds an unusual spike in the heart rate of patient, he investigates that there must be something wrong in the body, and there is sudden 10 times, 15 times spike in the rank versus marks, and you are thinking that you are saying that nothing has happened.
The government
Government should
education
investigate.
minister says there is no wrongdoing. It's going to be taken care of because the court is also monitoring. You know, what do you have to say about that statement? Doesn't it inspire much confidence?
One, definitely there has been, a breakdown of the entire process, which should have been addressed earlier.
Okay.
So, an evaluation with last 3 years marks would have shown that yes, this year there is an anomaly and it should have been addressed. One. Second, on the part of even the declaration of results, it happened much earlier. Third, certain centers, as we pointed out, that certain centers were there who could have been identified, and there was corruption in those centers. Definitely, that's why otherwise you would not. That distribution is normally across the country, and it would not happen at one center.
Yes, I want to talk to you about that. Now, what could have possibly gone wrong? Where is this corruption stemming from, if at all there is corruption? Because the matter is sub judice, and we have to also respect that.
Ma'am, you can ask the students.
Yes.
There are many students who are telling me that they were offered that 2 hours before the exam, if you want the paper, the charge is 5 lakhs. If you want 2 days before, the charge is 20 lakhs.
Okay.
This is in the knowledge of students for almost 2-3 years.
Anybody wants to talk about this aspect? Yes, please come here. Please come here. In fact, you also please come here and talk to us about this alleged corruption that you all are talking about. Yes.
So it's about 2022. I was studying in Delhi, Janakpuri. There was a friend of mine who was telling me that you can get the exam paper a couple of hours before the exam. And this is the certain amount. And if you want it before some time, you can increase the amount and you will get a smartphone with it so that you can recheck the answers. I was doubting it back then, but now I think it might be true.
And this is not true only for this exam, but so many other exams which happen.
Yes.
Somewhere the process gets off the track. People are approached, students are approached from various quarters and given offers. Sometimes, there are consulting companies which are also helping them do that. So obviously there is something big at play which has to be investigated and found out. And then the people who are there have to be held liable.
Okay.
That's how it should be.
What's your experience? And tell us about, did you appear for the exams as well?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Vasu Chauhan.
Okay.
And I'm scoring 642 this year.
Okay, all right. Tell me.
So, मैम जैसे कि सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि एग्जाम इतना इजी था और ये था, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द लोगों ने वो एग्जाम दिया ही नहीं जिसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि वो इजी था. हमारे मैम प्लीज हमारे 20 इयर्स के एक्सपीरियंस टीचर हैं, हमारी ऑर्गेनिक की मैम है डॉक्टर सारिका मेहता, वो कह रही है कि पेपर आसान नहीं है. हमारे 20 इयर्स के फिजिक्स के टीचर हैं, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि पेपर आसान नहीं है. और जिन लोगों ने पेपर दिया भी नहीं है वो ये कह रहे हैं पेपर आसान है. एक बार को ये भी नहीं कह रहे कि पेपर उस लेवल का है. मतलब 20% बच्चे बड़े हैं तो 20% का रैंक इन्फ्लेमेशन आता तो मैं मान लेता.
IITs के और टॉप जो गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस हैं उनके प्रोफेसर आप 20 हर सब्जेक्ट के बिठा दीजिए, पूछ लीजिए कि दोनों पेपर में कितना डिफरेंस है.
But that's not the issue here. I think the larger issue here is the kind of lack of trust that the students, teachers, parents have now around these exams.
No, ma'am, it is connected. It is connected because NTA is saying that there is a spike because the paper was very easy.
It's simple.
Very easy. 10x spike because
but again, there is the end.
This is lie. This is white lie.
Okay, let me hold the mic for you, please. Yes.
थैंक यू मैम. और मैम जैसा कि कह रहे हैं कि जो 3 लाख बच्चे ऐड हुए हैं, मतलब हर साल 17 से 20 लाख हुए हैं, 20 से 23 लाख या 24 लाख हुए हैं, तो इस प्रकार का रैंक इन्फ्लेमेशन नहीं आता था. इतने होशियार बच्चे मुझे नहीं लगता अभी ऐड हुए हैं. होपफुली मैं चाहता हूं मेरी इंडिया में कि ऐसे बच्चे ऐड हुए, पर अभी तक इतने बच्चे ऐड नहीं हुए. मैम मैं सुबह 7 बजे में, सर मेरे सामने है, मैं सुबह 7 बजे अपने इंस्टीट्यूट जाता था और रात को 10 बजे वहां से आता था. हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट ने हमारी फैसिलिटी कर रखी है, आप सुबह से 10 बजे तक वहां जा सकते हो. मेरी मदर मैम मुझको, ये बहुत पर्सनल हो सकता है, 2 चपाती देती थी, मैं उसमें काम चलाता था और उसके बाद की जिससे मेरा वेट ना बढ़े, मैं पढ़ सकूं. मुझे नहीं लगता कि हर व्यक्ति ने जो इन्होंने बढ़ाए हैं कि इस लेवल पर उन्होंने जाके मेहनत करी होगी. ये हमारी मेहनत का वेस्ट है. जैसे कि टीचर कह रहे हैं कि ये एग्जाम आपकी लाइफ नहीं हो सकता. मैं बचपन से सपना देख रहा हूं, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है. अगर ये नीट नहीं है, ये एनटीए ये घोटाला कर रहा है, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकता.
गवर्नमेंट हैज सेड, लेट मी आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. सरकार का ये कहना है, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ने ये कहा है कि इस पे कोई गड़बड़ी नहीं हुई है. दिस इज बीन लुक्ड एट वेरी केयरफुली. देयर इज नो पेपर लीक, देयर इज नो रॉन्ग डूइंग. वी आर लुकिंग इनटू द मैटर. डज दैट स्टेटमेंट inspire any confidence? क्या आपको लगता है कि नहीं ठीक है, सरकार देख रही है?
Of course not. सरकार ने
सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी से देख रही है, ये मामला फिर से आने वाला है कोर्ट में. The Supreme Court is going to hear this matter.
मैम पता नहीं 8 जुलाई को हमें जस्टिस मिल भी पाएगा या फिर नहीं. ये कहा जा रहा है कि इस पेपर को अपनी लाइफ से ना जोड़ें. भाई कैसे? मुझे डॉक्टर बनना था, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाऊंगा. मेरी पूरी लाइफ में मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाया. हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया जो चीज अच्छी लगी वो करो.
आपकी क्या डिमांड्स? आप क्या चाहते हैं? कैंसिलेशन हो, रीअपियरेंस हो एग्जाम्स का? ये
ऑफ कोर्स मैम री एग्जाम होना चाहिए. मैं तो ये कहूंगा एनटीए को हटा ही दो, क्योंकि अगर री एग्जाम में भी उन्होंने ये धांधली करी तो हम कैसे बच पाएंगे?
So no faith in the government committee. This NTA should be done away with. I'll just come to you. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I think there has to be a clear-cut dialogue from the government side as to how the entire thing has to be addressed, in terms of, and even catching of people who have done the corruption.
Yes.
So that is one, which in some sense is happening.
So there should be deeper investigation.
There has to
What
be a
kind of investigation?
much deeper investigation. In the
Supreme
sense
Court
that
monitored investigation?
Supreme
What
Court,
sort of
yes, Supreme Court should ask for investigations very clearly.
Okay.
Second, and the top agencies of the country can be pressed into action. And second thing is, which is much more this thing is, that I would not take this from any student, and that, see, this is not a this thing ki, you say that, hey, if this is not happening, then we talk about suicides. Yeah. So suicide is not, one exam doesn't define you. My most successful cases, you can all check on YouTube, Ritesh. So Ritesh did his MBBS and he became an entrepreneur later on. He started a company called Innovate, and which he built up in the next 5 years. He became an entrepreneur.
But sir, that is not the issue.
But of course, I'm
That
just
is not the
sharing.
issue.
I'm just sharing.
Right now it's right exam.
Because I
You know,
don't
he's
know
just
about,
trying to say
because
that,
I don't know how to
this is
grow
not
further.
the end of the road is the
It's not the
message
end
that
of
we
the road.
also
Why
want to
this
give out to
consoling
all
of
the
students,
students.
ma'am? Why this consoling of students? Why can't government and NTA listen to us? Ma'am, हमारी बात कोई सुन नहीं रहा है. हर बार सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्यों जाना पड़ता है?
Please come. Tell me about, did you appear for your exams? No. Okay.
मेरा क्वेश्चन आप सभी से यही है कि एनटी और जो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट है अभी सामने से नहीं कती आई है कि बताने के लिए, जैसे कि पिछले साल 2020 में ऐसा हुआ था कि सीबीएसई का एग्जाम हो रहा था, उस वक्त कैंसिलेशन किए, प्राइम मिनिस्टर इसमें इन्वॉल्व हुए और कोविड की वजह से उन्होंने कैंसिल किया। लेकिन यहाँ सरासर सारी चीज़ दिख रही है, लेकिन धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी बार बार ये चीज़ को नेगलेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि इसमें कुछ चीटिंग नहीं हुई है। ये बहुत गलत बात है एक शिक्षा मंत्री के तौर पर। दूसरी चीज़, मोदी जी को इसमें सामने आना चाहिए और नीट होनी ही चाहिए। यहाँ जितने बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, और ये कहीं ना कहीं दुख की बात में मैम इसलिए है क्योंकि बच्चे मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है। अगर सेमेस्टर एग्जाम दे लेते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम रिलीफ हो गए, लेकिन ये कितना बड़ा हादसा हुआ है सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, ये बहुत दुखदाई है।
The state of mind, everybody is talking about
sad.
that.
It is very sad.
Small point, मैम। जैसे आपने इनिशिएटिव लिया आज तक ने, आप इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप में, आपको कांग्रेचुलेट करूंगा मैम। आप सिर्फ आपके प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करते हुए मैं कहूंगा कि अगर इस देश में हर साल हमेशा परीक्षा पे चर्चा होती है तो एक बार रिजल्ट पे चर्चा करने के लिए आप सारे बच्चों को, सारे एक्सपर्ट्स को बुला लीजिए ना प्लीज।
ओके, स्टूडेंट्स या आप अपियर किए हैं, अपियर करना चाहेंगे? ओके
मैम, मैं नीट 2025 में अपियर करने वाला हूं और मैम जो अभी तक हम सोचते थे, हम लोग 650 पे एक सिक्योर स्कोर मानते थे, लेकिन मैम अभी जैसे सर ने अभी बोला कि 720 पे भी हम लोग अपना ड्रीम कॉलेज नहीं मान सकते हैं। तो फिर मैम अब जो भी मेरे साथ के बच्चे हैं 2025 में 2026 में अपेयर करने वाले हैं, मैम उनका जो अभी माइंडसेट होगा कितना डिप्रेशन टाइप में होंगे। तो मैम ऐसी
जी बिल्कुल, in fact a lot of students are talking about it, you know.
I agree. Even people coming to us and now checking. So I have 2 students in the last 3-4 days who have even questioned their desire to even appear for NEET.
Okay.
They come from well-placed families and they're like, should we even think of it? Why? Because they fear that if it is not systematic, or they're evaluating, can I just go outside India to
coincidentally, I met a dermatologist today whose daughter is doing the exact same thing, go outside of India.
Absolutely.
But this is not a privilege for everyone. This is a huge privilege. I mean, studying outside of India is a huge privilege.
Absolutely.
What will these students do?
But surprisingly, even for outside India, I still need a NEET passing score. You know,
Right.
the government made that change a couple of years back, so I need a NEET score. I still need to give NEET exam. I need to get that score. Then I need to go outside. But again, I mean, it's everything otherwise is sad.
Okay.
Yeah.
मेरा महिमानंद गोला है। जैसे एनटीए बार बार बोलता रहता है कि वो ट्रांसपेरेंट बॉडी है, वो कि बोले सब कुछ सबके सामने कराया हमने। उसने एनटीए ने हमें 718 719 मार्क्स नहीं आता, तो हमें तो ग्रेस मार्क्स का पता भी नहीं चलता कितना बड़ा घोटाला हुआ है, कोई पता नहीं लगता। और बार बार कह रहे हैं कि बॉडी को ये अपनी लाइफ से मत जोड़ के। सर मेरा सपना था डॉक्टर बनने का, मेरे पूरे परिवार को पता लग गया था कि 635 आ रहे, कितना होता, पिछली बार 607 पे मिल गया था ओबीसी गाँव में, 610 चली जाती, 15 चली जाती, 20 चली जाती, पूरे परिवार में पता है, सब गांव मोहल्ले में सबको पता लग गया कि बन गया डॉक्टर बनने वाला लड़का, एमबीबीएस में पहुंच जाएगा। अब मेरे पास तो कुछ ऑप्शन ही नहीं है करने का। मैं थर्ड फोर्थ
Dr. Sharma, easier said than done.
There are 2 different issues that are at stake here.
Yes.
One would be the immediate one, that there has been a bungling, there has been a problem,
Right.
there has been some goof off that has happened. It must be investigated thoroughly, and whatever happens must be brought to the facts must be put forward to the court, and everybody believes in court. I think every student will agree that Honorable Supreme Court is what we all understand that will do the justice. But the fact-finding thing, the investigation has to be done with absolute impartiality. Number one. The second thing is the simmering thing that I am looking at is, what about those students who are saying that we have invested 3-4 years, I have given everything, I have scored 630, 640 normally, it was good enough to get a very good government medical college. Is this the right exam to test the mettle of the student and to decide who is better, who is not?
I also want to bring in parents. यहाँ पर परिवार वाले, just one, आप बात करना चाहेंगे जी, please. ये बताइए कि आपके बच्चे ने एग्जाम दिया है, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
हम ये बोलना चाहेंगे कि बच्चे ने एग्जाम दिया, हमारा बच्चा आ भी सकता है, नहीं भी आ सकता है। दुख इस बात का है जो चीटिंग के द्वारा, यानी कि जो क्राइम हुआ है पेपर लीक का, और जो पेपर लीक की क्राइम की रिपोर्ट यानी कि हम लोग देंगे, सरकार कहती कोई रिपोर्ट है नहीं। सरकार को देखना चाहिए, सरकार क्यों नहीं चाहती कि उसका काम है देखना। आप बड़े स्तर पर पहुंचते हैं कि आप देखें, तो जब क्राइम की रिपोर्टें मिलती हैं कि वहां क्राइम हुआ है, और आपने जो नया मॉडल चालू किया व्हाट्सएप और वो क्या नाम से बोलते हैं नया, इंस्टाग्राम, और दूसरा को बताइए टेलीग्राम, 1 सेकंड में उत्तर से दक्षिण और पूरा से पश्चिम पहुंचता है। तो पेपर लीक जैसे ही हुआ है, तो एक सेंटर पे नहीं हुआ है, ऑल इंडिया में हुआ है। जो सेंटर में मतलब व्यवस्थाएं थी वो तो अलग सब थी, जो अंदर में मार्किंग भरने का अलग सिस्टम था, लेकिन लीकेज का अलग सिस्टम है। तो जो लीकेज के द्वारा लोग बच्चे पहुंचे हैं, जो 50,000 के अंदर, 600 के अंदर जो बच्चे हैं, उसमें भी वही है, अच्छे बच्चे भी हैं, मैंने कहता सारे खराब हैं, लेकिन उसमें लीकेज के ज्यादा है। यदि सिर्फ संदेश का दोबारा पेपर करवा दिया जाए, सिर्फ मैं सजेशन देता हूँ, तो उसमें से 40,000 निकल जाएंगे और 4,000 पेपर देने नहीं आएंगे, क्योंकि वो जानते मेरे 100 नंबर भी नहीं आएंगे। फिर मैं देखूँ क्या, चोरी तो वहां पे है। और ये लोग जो यहाँ पे टाइगर खड़े हो जाते हैं या पार्टी से आते हैं, ये लोग समझते नहीं है ये 24 लाख 23 लाख बच्चों की बात नहीं है, उतने परिवारों के भविष्य दांव पर लगे हुए हैं और सरकार नहीं देख रही है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट, और मैं कल प्रधान जी से मिला, अजय मुझसे बातें अच्छी की, संतुष्ट किया, मैं संतुष्ट हुआ, लेकिन मिले इसलिए संतुष्ट हुआ, ना कि उन्होंने रिजल्ट दिया। मुझे मिल लिया तो मैं संतुष्ट हो गया, मैं उनके रिजल्ट से संतुष्ट नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि आपका इमीडिएटली ऑर्डर होना चाहिए। मैं एनटीए को रोकता हूँ और मैं जांच कराऊंगा।
लेकिन कुछ ऐसे लोग, जी बिल्कुल, जांच होना चाहिए जी।
लेकिन इस पे कोई बात नहीं की, और कहते हैं विपक्ष इसको मुद्दा बना रहा है। अरे भाई कुछ तो विपक्ष पर भी मुझे शंका है। मैं सत्ता और विपक्ष दोनों से बात करना चाहता हूँ। सत्ता सहयोग नहीं कर रही है और विपक्ष सिर्फ अपनी बात बोल के भट जाती है। मैंने आपका मुद्दा उठाया, मैंने इस विपक्ष को देखा, इसी हिंदुस्तान में आतंकवादियों के मुकदमे रात में सुने गए, इस 24 लाख परिवारों के लिए क्यों कोर्ट नहीं सुनता है? क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी जो सच में पट्टी बनी मूर्ति है, क्या सच में अंधा है सुप्रीम कोर्ट? मैं उसी पे तो आशा लगाए हूँ, लेकिन वहां भी आशा नहीं मिल रही, क्योंकि 8 तारीख को सुनूंगा। अरे क्यों नहीं सुनते हो? और मैं विपक्ष से कहता हूँ, आपके पास पावर है, आपने आतंकवादियों के मुकदमे रात में सुनवाए हैं, तो मैं कहता हूँ सत्ता नहीं सुन रही है, मैं सत्ता के खिलाफ बोलता हूँ। मैं तो विपक्ष से आशा करता हूँ, आपको मैंडेट के करीब पहुंचाया है जनता ने, उनको मैंडेट दे दिया है, आपको मैंडेट के लगभग करीब पहुंचाया है, तो आप हमारे मुद्दे को आतंकवादियों की तरह न उठा के बच्चों को, परिवार को उठाइए।
Opposition should be raising this as a political issue, is what the government says.
I think one major thing is, you know, how do we address this?
समझ रहे हैं, हम पे क्वेश्चन उठाया जा रहा है।
Okay.
One major thing is, see, one is immediate redressal of the problem. Second is systematic changes in the way it is conducted, so that it doesn't happen next time. You know. Also, we have to be. There has to be a fair balance. There would be a lot of students even in this audience who have really struggled, and they may not be able to struggle again for another NEET.
Yes.
So another NEET may not be the
I can
solution.
well understand the sense of, you know, discouragement.
And
really
some people
after
will
this
just sign
episode.
out of it. They'll say, no, I am not willing to devote another so many times.
Okay, I want to ask the students here, all students in fact, and do raise your hands. मैं आऊंगी आपके पास में. ये एग्जाम फिर से एनटीए के अंडर होना चाहिए? कौन चाहता है? कौन चाहता है? नहीं? ये स्टूडेंट एनटीए को हटा के, ये एग्जाम्स एनटीए को हटा के होना चाहिए. These exams should be reheld again, but without the NTA. Okay, raise.
Yes.
No faith. No faith in the system.
Zero credibility. Zero.
It's worrisome that the students have no faith in the system. Also, many of them are out on the streets. One of you wanted to speak. Please come.
मैम सबसे पहले तो मैं ये क्वेश्चन उठाना चाहूंगा, जो 1563 को ग्रेस मार्क्स मिले, उनमें 6 स्टूडेंट झज्जर सेंटर के थे, बट वहाँ की प्रिंसिपल ने ऑलरेडी ये कहा कि हमारे यहाँ पर कोई टाइम लैग नहीं हुआ। फिर उन स्टूडेंट्स को ग्रेस मार्क्स क्यों दिए गए? और ग्रेस मार्क्स दिए गए तो उन स्टूडेंट्स के खिलाफ एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया गया अभी तक? और एनटीए के खिलाफ उस चीज पर एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया? वो उन्हें ग्रेस मार्क्स पैसे देकर दिए गए हैं क्या, उस पर एक्शन होना चाहिए। ये री एग्जाम के चक्कर में जो 1563 का री एग्जाम है, उस चक्कर में उन बच्चों का जो क्राइम हुआ है, जो उन्होंने क्राइम किया है, ये एनटीए ने ग्रेस मार्क्स देकर उन 6 बच्चों को वो छिपाया जा रहा है इस चीज के पीछे।
Okay. NTA has some serious answering to do. We'd like to come in. Yes, some serious answering to do also.
मैम एनटीए का आंसरिंग ये है, पिछले 6 साल 7 साल का उठा के देखे मैम, एवरी ईयर नीट एग्जाम को लेकर लिटिगेशन होता ही होता है। गवर्नमेंट को मैम हमें सुनना चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट को बच्चों से सुनना चाहिए, टीचर्स को बुला के एक्सपर्ट्स की उनकी बात एक बार सुनिए तो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं। और मैम मैं एक सिर्फ लाइन जोड़ना चाहूंगा, दुष्यंत कुमार की पंक्तियां हैं कि सिर्फ हंगामा इन बच्चों के भी यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ मैम, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना हमारा मकसद नहीं, सारी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, इसको हमेशा के लिए सही करिए।
You know, the tension, the stress is just so palpable being in this room with so many students here. It's upsetting. You know, I never aspired to be a doctor, but you know, I just feel upset looking at them.
Students are in deep pain, ma'am.
Of
deep
course,
anguish.
yes. You know, please come. Yes, tell me.
So, मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन गवर्नमेंट से है कि जो एनटीए है वो खुद क्लेम करती है कि 1563 स्टूडेंट का जो ग्रेस मार्क दिए और हम उनका रीनीट करवा रहे हैं, और वो खुद ही रीनीट करवा रही है। क्या गारंटी है कि बिहार में जैसे पेपर लीक हुआ वो पेपर लीक अगेन नहीं होगा? गोधरा में जैसे गुजरात के गोधरा में सॉल्वर गैंग को पकड़ा है, वो सॉल्वर गैंग उनके पास नहीं बैठेगा। क्या गारंटी है वो 1563 का भी ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ होगा, जो कि एनटीए क्लेम कर रही है कि हम ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ ले रहे हैं? ये तो कोई बात नहीं
हुई। It holds true for other exams as well, isn't it?
First and foremost, I actually qualified NEET entrance exam. It was called as AIPMT in 1988. So that was the first time AIPMT happened. So I know what is happening to these students. It's a very stressful exam. Nothing is easy. Sitting in an entrance examination under pressure situation and performing for the passion that you have, the life that you are aspiring is certainly not easy. On top of it, after the result, if you find yourself at the wrong end of the justice and you see that, okay, this is not being done. And obviously, again, I am bringing that particular simmering question in the forefront, that what about the test itself, whether this test has to be rationalized? What about the students? How many marks the student has to score to get the choice college? That is a very important
most
question.
vulnerable because to get into in a given college, the expenses are around 20 to 25 lakhs for the entire MBBS course.
The stakes are very high.
If you go for private college, it is 1 crore plus. So this is the most vulnerable exam because these students, they cannot afford. So they are chasing NEET exam. There is a difference of almost 75 lakhs, which middle class family cannot afford. So that is why it is most vulnerable. People can pay you 25 lakhs.
And that's why additional scrutiny is required, and that was missing here is what you're saying, or at least the NTA says that everything was okay and we're going to be looking into this matter. That's the reason why these statements are not inspiring confidence.
Yes, true.
Absolutely. So till last year, if you look at last 3 years, so a score of 610 to 620 would have given me a decent government institution. But today, as we are discussing also, with a 650, I'm not so sure what kind of institution I'll get, or even a 670
Exactly,
also.
that sense of uncertainty is there.
Yes.
You know, I'm really running out of time here. I just want to get a last word from a student. बताइए.
मैम मेरा गवर्नमेंट से एक क्वेश्चन है कि जो नंबर दिए हैं 719 और 718, वो किस कैलकुलेशन के बिहाफ पे दिए हैं नंबर?
Because the premise of that is wrong only. 716 and 18, that's not a score that could have been achieved,
because of
isn't it?
grace marks, ma'am.
Okay. Grace marks? Yes.
और जो मैम ग्रेस मार्क्स दिए 1563 बच्चों को, उन्हें कैसे पता खाली उन्हीं बच्चों का वहाँ पर ही सेंटर पे लेट हुआ टाइम, और जगह भी तो हो सकता है, और सब बच्चों को क्यों नहीं ग्रेस मार्क्स?
There are so many questions that are unanswered, but you know, we'll have to end this conversation here. But this conversation at this point in time is ending, but we are not going to stop covering this story. The matter is with the Supreme Court of India, and this matter is going to be heard in just some days from now. July 8th is when this matter comes up. We hope they look into the actual problems that the students are facing. Not just the fact that they are upset, but also the fact that they're agonized mentally. And I think that's a bigger problem that many students are facing. I want to thank all of you for joining in, thanking our guests as well. It's an important discussion, and we're not losing sight of this story right here at India Today Television. That's it from me for the moment. News continues on the other side.